Whoop, here we go. I see that transmission look new, right? It's not new, guys. It's not a Mopar, that is. I don't know who make it, but this was at another shop. Cousin Pookie put this in now. He didn't do anything wrong. However, the transmission just no good. So what do we gotta do? Replace it. Alright, but in order to take a transmission out, the wheels gotta come off. And here's the problem we run into. We can't get the wheels off. They was put on by somebody with a damn brutal impact gun. We've tried everything. In fact, let me show you clips of us actually trying it. Due to the fact that the wheel's still on, obviously we failed at trying.
Heave ho! I don't know who the fuck told them that you down, boy. Be careful, man. That shit might break the spin off and hit you in the forehead.
All of them like that?
Yeah, no, you ain't getting
Oh, come on, man! You were bragging on that snap-on shit and it broke. And you sure that snap-on?
That snap on.
Dude, they gonna ask you how was you using it.
Damn.
Is that an adapter or that's the head?
That was the head.
Bro.
Damn.
What you doing with that?
The bar, hey, bro. You know,
Damn thing. Dude, this is, you sure this snap?
Nah, chill. It wasn't long enough.
Are you sure that snap on?
Chill.
Where you see snap on at?
Here you go. Oh, here you go. No, I got it off the truck. So I got,
right, but is it snap on? Snap on name on it.
I don't see no snap on name on it.
Dude, man, this ain't real snap on.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, so you misled us. You went broke. We wouldn't have came over here all confident.
Right here, snap on, right there, right here on the handle, right here. That say snap on right there.
Oh yeah, it is snap on.
Yeah.
Where he come? Don't he come on today?
Shit, he just came today, but I wasn't expecting to break this shit. Hey,
Like, this shit got to do the job.
man.
Use the brake, put the cheetah bar on it right there.
All my rims are tightening up on trying to get this shit up out of here.
You don't want to use the cheetah bar with it? That give you more length.
I mean, shit, it didn't make it about as long as my bar.
I'm about to go home.
What you about to do?
Huh?
What you about to do?
I'm gonna go home.
No, man. I thought you about to get this shit off. Man, no sense of having your problems for tomorrow. Go to plan B. What kind of breaker bar you got?
I don't got one.
Oh, you ain't got a breaker bar?
Not yet.
Not yet. That's your next purchase?
Hell no.
No, come from this angle and put weight on it. You know, like, use a little common sense.
My bad.
That ain't common here.
I guess not. Like, you trying to pull, that's deadlifting. Like, I seen people stand on that damn thing.
I'm not standing this shit like a slip and fall.
That's what you got.
Let me get out the way then.
Yeah, go down a step lower.
That shit ain't
You
gonna
gotta
work.
deadlift that motherfucker.
Deadlift is pulling up. See, we pushing down with our weight. So deadlift is pull. That's what I'm the
Yeah.
king of.
But what I'm saying is, if you know you deadlifting and you know this happens, I mean you putting a shit ton of pressure on it. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, that's on there.
You turned a little red.
That's easy to do.
Is your blood pressure rise?
Break the ratchet and stop, man. Cause that's the only ratchet I got right now.
I mean, it's a snap on. Why y'all scared to break name brand shit? I can see if you had a Pittsburgh.
Snap on
If
that.
you had a Pittsburgh Harbor Freight.
That shit bending the whole bar.
Yeah.
You lying?
Huh? You ain't see that shit bending?
You ain't seen the whole bar?
You tried to break the bar.
It's lifetime warranty.
No, I like this ratchet, man.
Yeah.
I mean, you were gonna do it if you break it, wouldn't you?
I don't know. Ain't no guarantee with snap on.
Wait.
He might get something with this shit.
So ain't no
I
guarantee.
got warranty on this, so I mean
So
that's
what
cool.
you saying? That's warranty and that's not warranty?
That
no.
warranty don't last forever.
No,
It's lifetime. You know how long lifetime is?
Hold on.
Yeah, but bro, Snap-on tools, because how expensive they are, they give you lifetime warranty on them.
Right. Bro, give me one more shot.
No, you do.
All right.
Go the other way, this way.
All right.
You mean push down instead of pull?
Yeah, push down.
All right.
You younger.
Yeah, I'm younger, but
What
that don't
age
mean
got
that
to do with it?
guarantee.
Still got help, man.
You got this, I believe.
Dude, are you serious?
Alright, boy.
There's no way in the hell that damn thing that tight.
That shit is crazy.
You put you 300 plus, right?
No!
What,
I'm like, I'm like 260.
He's taking a whole wheel while he's doing that shit. And this shit still ain't coming.
Yeah. Shit. That motherfucker.
Just imagine if they have a flat nail on the side of the road and they call AAA.
AAA.
Yeah.
Nah, no, that's pretty good.
So you see how he lifted the whole wheel up, man? This shit ain't coming.
No, the wheel was spinning because you got it too high off the ground.
I let it down. He still ain't gonna get that shit.
That shit is crazy. My God.
Alright, try it.
I'll give it another shot.
Uh-oh.
He moving it?
Damn.
He gotta be all hyped up like he did.
I just said, uh-oh, missed something.
I'm about to go back in.
That shit. Why you?
Ain't no impact.
You
And
only able to get one.
we just exceeded impact strength. So you done rigged
It's
it.
rigged, but it's decent.
And then look at the bar. This is the paper bar out of the
I thought
transmission.
this still made it.
No. This is a different head. I just
Oh, they
swapped
took the
heads.
whole head off
That's
them.
the head.
Yeah.
Now you got a whole snap-on
That
warranty.
motherfucker broke.
Is it warranty?
Yeah, I got lifetime. That shit snap on, bro.
That's crazy. He was just here today.
I know. That's what I'm saying. I went to Spain to break this shit.
Oh,
I was
damn.
like, damn, bro. Chris will come and do.
Yeah, it is hard as fuck.
I need to go check that shit was sizzling. Hold up. Let me go the other way. Why you gotta go this way? We can't break the other head.
Wait, that's the wrong.
Told you.
That wasn't even a chance.
I ain't put him there.
I mean, what broke was this damn thing here.
The fucking
Like,
boat, that's
look at
all,
it.
man.
Look at it. No, that's not even a boat. It's this paper ass boat that we use on the
I ain't
transmission.
even put no brush on that shit.
Oh, you could at least got a real boat.
Alright.
Oh my God, that wasn't even a real boat. That's my videos. Damn.
See, now he does all he wants.
You can't even get it out. Just shut up. It's just 315.
Didn't have the weight jacket on.
Looked like it was moving.
Man, I'm thinking I'm moving my shoulder.
You almost had it, dog. I don't know what to tell you. Ooh, a lot of leverage there. That's it right there. I can feel it. I feel it. Oh! Come on. There you go, that deadlift stand. That's it. That's it. You ain't telling me nothing. That's it. Oh no! Damn! Come on, man. There goes your Reggie. Come on, man. Yeah, see this? Oh man, he broke his snap on, broke his gear wrench. I'm thinking about going up to Harbor Freight and get the Icon half-inch breaker bar. Yeah, that's guaranteed to get it off. We got to try something because this was our next try. I don't know who the hell make this, but it was bending too much. Yeah, I've never heard of them. Anybody ever heard of them? Yeah, I don't think they're gonna work, but we've tried everything. I'm headed to Harbor Freight, guys. I'm gonna show this. Yeah, when you put all your body work on it, this is not gonna stand a chance. I don't care who make it, who name on it. Yeah, it's not gonna work for that. So y'all stay tuned, man. It's gonna get crazy. But like I said, we can't replace the transmission until we can get the freaking wheels out. Cousin Pookie done put that on with a damn 3/4 inch everything, a 3/4 inch impact. We can't get it off, but y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, y'all see my current situation. Yes, it's after hours, after work. Guys, I gotta find a breaker bar. I'm giving Snap-on a try. I give a Matco a try. I giving GearWrench a try. None of them seem to work. So y'all know what I'm about to do? Yeah, Harbor Freight, we're going for the big Icon, all right? I hope they on sale because I need one right freaking now. Let's get it. All right, where the hell is the Icon power tools? Yes, enough of this. I had just about enough of Snap-on and Matco. All right, no, not Pittsburgh. I need Icon. Icon is the professional version for freaking Harbor Freight. Yeah, this Icon, but breaker bar. Here we go. Okay, I'm in the right area now. All right, y'all. Let me find out exactly which one I want. Y'all, give me a hot second. All right, now this is the breaker bar. These are the breaker bars. All right, but see, because this stick out, hang out too far like that, that's easily accessible to breaking. So I want to go with something where this head is not as out like that. So that means I'm gonna have to go, yeah, down to this end. Okay, we're gonna go with a ratchet type, but I don't need this handle. We're gonna go with this one. Yeah, that head, yeah, you see that head is not all the way in there. Guys, this gonna have to work. Like I say, I done given everybody a try. And it's long enough, I'm gonna stick a Cheeto bar on the end of this. We're gonna get them damn lug nuts out, guys. Icon, please don't let me down. Icon, if you pull this off, you're the champ, all right? Like I said, I've already given Snap-on and Matco and GearWrench a try. Man, Icon, I'm counting on you, baby. Icon, you could do this. All right, guys, I'm about to get this Icon. Y'all hold tight. I'll see y'all back at the shop in the morning. We're getting them damn lug nuts off. Let's get it.